Levity from Fredericksburg, Virginia, has a question about a dripping noise.
It also sounds like a ticking noise. Where they're hearing it is on an exterior. They're hearing it inside on an exterior wall where the electrical panel is on the outside. That's where they're hearing. I'm not sure it's connected. Levity writes, it is not a consistent tap or drip sound. I can't see any water damage or exterior water issue. There's a yard faucet in a pipe, but it's turned off. And there's no moisture or water damage in the basement or on the exterior wall, nor does there appear to be any insects or rodents. So, Tom, Levity is concerned because it's near the AC meter, and she just doesn't know what it is. What do you think?
I'm not sure what it is either, but it sounds like a pipe expanding and contracting through temperature. Whether it's that just the water pipe, just when you're using it, it starts to tick, tick, tick. It sounds like a drip. Or it could be the refrigeration line from the air conditioning system.
Yeah, because her AC units are right there, too.
That's right. And they expand and contract, and they can make some weird noises sometimes, too. But I don't think there's a problem, and I wouldn't worry about the electrical panel by any means. Even if you had a leak, that wouldn't probably be a problem, unless you're just pouring water inside of there, and it's not going to work that way. So as far as that goes, I think it's just one of those weird little quirky things that some houses have. Mine has some. Everybody has some. So I wouldn't worry about it. Don't let it drive you crazy. And unless you see a visual problem, don't just go on with your day.
When you're saying a visual problem, you're talking like a stain on the sheetrock or something?
Oh, yeah, or water, wet carpet. Who knows, A
growing water bill.
Oh, yeah. I had one of those last year, $300.
Yeah.
So it was my sprinkler system. Anyway, don't give it too much thought. Don't overthink it, and just think of it as one of those things that's part of the house, and make friends with it. You can even name it.
The way my house is designed, when the guest bath upstairs is being used, I feel like I'm living next to a waterfall.
Oh, the Archie Bunker toilet.
Yeah, it comes down the wall right behind the living room. It's awesome. And Mr. Kickarilla, thank you for that design, Mr. Kickarilla. All right. Do you have a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and just click on the Ask Tom button. Fill out that form, send it in, and we may use it in a video just like this one. Click our subscribe button and the bell,
Ding.
and we'll let you know when there's a new one.